Today we're showing you a 2021 Kubota L3301 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA525 quick attach front end loader. The tractor has just over 400 hours on it. It's a very nice clean tractor. Again, does come with the LA525 loader. Skid steer style quick attach for your bucket connection. The tractor's rated at 33 horsepower. You can see the paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Does have the hydrostat transmission, 3 ranges in the transmission, and then the pedal right here for forward reverse. Has the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch with drawbar and top link with the machine. A little bit of paint off this fender here, nothing major, but looks like they had a toolbox or something on there. But overall, a very nice tractor. Comes with the balance of the Kubota warranty. I don't think John Deere is going to be warranty this machine. Comes with the balance of the Kubota warranty, which runs into April of 2027, the way it looks there. So lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this machine or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.